Ihofa-ini ici cia giko nikuo Peter Kinywa na gikundi giake kia anake 12 marokaga na ona thengia ya muhera muru wa giko muoroto wao ukoragwo ari kurugania kona ciothe magicaria muthemba uyu wa cuba mugaru na giko kia muthemba ungi kiria kihiaga kana gubutha cuba ici itibuthaga na kaingi irigagiriria njũĩ-ini.
Kwa watu ambao wanadina environment, glass has been a hectic to them. So I thought of coming with a permanent solution to the waste glass, na nikaanza kubuni vile naweza kuexhaust waste glass into zero waste.
Thutha wa gucokaniriria cuba ici irigagiriria duka-ini haria Kinywa na aruna ake marutagira wira itura-ini ria free area tauni-ini ya Nakuru, na wira wa gucithondeka ituike kindu gia bata ukambiriria.
We sort them by colors, then we clean them. If they are the bottles, kama ni vioo hizi za nyumba, obviously they are not that like a bottles. So what we do is also we sort them, vioo tunaweka by colors kando kando.
Ihofa ici ciothe cietereirio wira, imwe igithondeka mahiga ma miako, ingi igithondeka metha hamwe na indo ingi cia mahuthiro matiganite.
Already as we are talking, tumeanza kupokea orders za marbles na pia the product ya kufanya flow. It does also flow. Na pia meza, these people who are now coming.
Kuringana na Kinywa, riri no riciria ihuthu no rikuite kihonia gia thina munene wa uthukangia wa maria maturigiciirie makiria thiini wa tauni nene ta Nakuru, Nairobi, Mombasa na tauni ingi kuria gicunji kia 45 hari igana gia giko gitaramatagwo uria kwagiriire.
That we are able to plant this system to every county dealing with the glasses. Every county, you can count 47 counties. We can bring a permanent solution problem from this thing.
If we can have manpower from people from down there, even street kids, we can bring them on board and maybe give them a token every month.
Kuuma itura riri ria free area, kambeni ya Kinywa no irathie githeremaga kuhitukira indo ngurani iria gikundi giki githondekaga iria muthia wacio ni kiguni no ti uthukangia wa maria maturigiciirie.
Kuna support ya watu wa eneo yangu, and also the CEO of environment, he issued me a letter that niweze ku access hizi vitu bila kusumbuliwa, sababu kuna kwingine tuko naenda watu wanatuuliza nyinyi mnachukua kama akina nani.
Ona gutuika uyu ni mweke wa biashara, muoroto wa gikundi giki ni gucaria kihonia kia maundu ngurani kuhitukira indo iria kaingi cionekaga itari na bata, na oho kuhuthira utaaramu munini ona mundu ateguthomera.
What I would like to ask our governor, kitu ya kwanza, tutafutie mahali tunaweza weka hii kitu. We need a space. Secondly, watusaidie tupate means of transport.
Pia protective gears. Hizi chupa si ati ni mzuri, unaweza dungwa, lakini tukiweza pata mtu atusaidie protective gears, tunaweza saidika sana.
Kinywa uria wari hindi imwe ciana iria ciururaga tauni-ini ya Nakuru augite umwe wa maundu maria angienda gukinyaniria ni kuhe utaaramu uyu gikundi kia MBEU njithi aria moruraga tauni-ini ya Nakuru matare na wa kumateithia. Handu-ini ha KAMWE TV, njitagwo Ngina wa Wadurwa.